Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to be trying something out that I've never tried before, and that is getting my eyebrows laminated. Now, I literally didn't even know what this was until about a month ago. It's like a pretty new beauty treatment that's sort of trending at the minute. It sort of goes along with the fluffy brow trend, which is something I am well and truly on board with. If you've seen my other videos, you will know this. I really like the fluffy brow trend. So basically what they do is they use like a perming solution, like what they use to perm your hair, they put that on your eyebrows and push them up so they're going up. But this is good for me because I have a little bald patch on this eyebrow. It has never grown in my entire life. I can attach photos of me as a child, me as a young teen, where that part of my eyebrow just still didn't grow. And as someone who loves their eyebrows, loves a fluffy eyebrow, a full eyebrow, like when Cara Delevingne was about, I was just so jealous of her eyebrows. This was quite sad for me. This is my last resort of trying to get this full eyebrow look on this eyebrow, because this one's okay, to be honest, and then this one's bald in places. Okay, so this is what my eyebrows look like without any product on, and as you can see, they don't really match very well. There's a little bald patch there, and then this is what they look like when I filled them in. So as you can see, I try and do like hair strokes at the front of the left one, but really it doesn't have the intended outcome. In an ideal world, I would get microblading, but this is my last resort before I get that, because that is okay. So I found this girl on Instagram. Her Instagram name is justpeachybrows. She lives in like my area, sort of. It's a little drive from my house, but it's okay. And I followed her on Instagram for quite a while now. She's just started doing lamination. She's literally so good. So I'm really excited to get it done by her. So I'm just gonna I'm taking my mum with me to film the process, so you can sort of see what goes on, and then hopefully I have full eyebrows later on tonight. But we'll just see. But I will tell you what I think either way. Okay, see you later. Bye. Okay, so this is the studio that the lamination took place in. I took some like artsy shots because I thought it was really nice. And they had nice candles on and stuff, and a nice little Christmas tree. So I'm just going to talk you through what happened when I got them laminated. First thing, as you can see here, is I got my eyebrows tinted, and then she used this like string thing to like see where my eyebrows weren't symmetrical and stuff like that, which is so good. I've seen this happen before on the internet, but I've never had it happen to me. It felt reassuring that I knew that what she was doing was right, like she wasn't just playing it by eye, like it was literally like symmetrical. So then she used the lines to wax and thread my eyebrows, like get them into the best shape that they could be, and then it was lamination time. Oh, there we are, smiling. Okay, so first of all, the eyebrows were like wiped and cleansed to make sure that there was nothing on them, like no leftover anything on them. And then she pushed the brows up using that little plastic thing, I don't really know what it is, to sort of see what's going on. And so basically this is the first step of laminating. It's in 2 steps. The first step breaks down the bonds in the hair to make them like ready to be permed. So that's what's happening here. And then you wait with the solution on, and I'm getting a head massage. As you can see, I am living my best life here, getting my eyebrows done. Look at me, I'm so relaxed. Okay, so then she took the first solution off, and the second solution is actually what laminates the brow. This is like the permanent solution that keeps the hairs flat to your head, and that's what's getting done now. I'm happy about it. Okay, so she asked me how much out of 10 I want them to be spiked up. So like 10 would be like really spiky and feathery, and 1 being like not really had them laminated at all. And I asked for a 7.5. So that's what she's doing now, like
making them a little bit feathery and nice, and then she's like discussing with me, like telling me what she's done, which I think is so good. Like, I really like it when people do this, so I know the crack. And she did this like the full way through, like talked me through all the steps, like told me what she was doing, which is just so helpful. You know, sometimes people just let themselves loose on your face and you sort of don't really know what the crack is. So yeah, she's explaining something to me now. Look at my face, I'm so intrigued by it. But my eyebrow looks amazing as well. Yeah, so that was the full finished process of getting them laminated, and as you can see, I am quite happy with them. Can't stop staring at them.
Hi everyone, so this is the finished look straight after the procedure. The eyebrows are going to be like this for 2 days, and then I can get them wet. So I can't get them wet for 2 days, so I can't show you like the finished product for 2 days. But I love this look. Like, my eyebrows look so full, and they've never ever looked this full, ever. I'm so buzzing about it. I'll be back in 2 days to show you the final reveal, the final review, but as of right now, I am so pleased with them. It is literally everything I've ever wanted. Full eyebrows. Hi everyone, it is now Friday and I'm here to do the final reveal, the final review of what I think of the brow lamination. So this is my eyebrows without anything on. They look so much more full. I'm literally just using this little spoolie to sort of push them up a little bit, because like obviously they do still go down, but they are really wanting to stay up a lot more than they would have before. Like when I tried to get this fluffy brow look, I just couldn't do it because my eyebrows just didn't want to play ball. So like they do just want to stay up. Now I really like the feathery look of the lamination, and I know that it's not necessarily everyone's cup of tea, but like that is exactly what I'm really into at the minute, and that is with nothing on them. This bald patch is so much better because the hairs are covering it. Do you know what I mean? So I did have a little bald patch there, which I mentioned earlier, but the hairs are covering it there, and obviously they don't match that well, but I feel like they look a lot better, and they're going to be like way easier to fill in. So what I'm going to do now is, I've got like a makeup on, but I've not actually filled in my eyebrows, so what I'm going to do is try and fill them in. I've not done this yet since I've had them laminated, so I'm just going to do like what I usually do to fill my eyebrows in and see what it looks like with the lamination. So first thing I'm going to do is brush them through with the Glossier Boy Brow. I do this every day. Then the next step, which I would normally do, is take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and like a really thin brush like that, and just like draw the hair strokes on where they don't match. So I really feel like with the lamination, this is gonna look really good. And it's literally taken me about 2 minutes to fill them in, right? That is literally everything I've ever wanted in an eyebrow. Like, I can't even explain to you how long I've wanted thick eyebrows, and like literally finally got them. I put before and after shots so you can see the difference that it's made. I can really see a difference. Okay, so this is the finished eyebrow. I'm so happy with them. Obviously they've been tinted as well, so when I've got no makeup on, it literally just looks really nice. Like, I look so much more groomed. My eyebrows sort of are more uniform. They're like going in one direction. Like, I literally this morning got up and I had no makeup on, and Jack was like, "You look really nice with your eyebrows done," and I was like, I've had my eyebrows done loads of times and he's never said that. So like, it obviously is making a big difference, which I'm so pleased with. It literally, I've always wanted full eyebrows, so I'm literally just so happy with them. And honestly, I couldn't recommend Peaches, who was the girl that did them, enough. Like, she was amazing. I really like, she like explained everything to me, like told me the process. Like, it was so good. I'll put her Instagram here again and it'll be in the description. So if you live in the local area and you want eyebrow lamination, or she does microblading as well, and she literally, I could not recommend her enough. She has done an amazing job. I can't believe that these are my eyebrows. Where's that bald patch now? We don't know him. Honestly, I'm so pleased with my eyebrows. I'll just keep looking at them. Like, yeah, I'm obsessed. Hopefully I will see you very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I am so very close. We just need a final little push, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. You can give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of these eyebrows. Do you like this style of eyebrow? Do you not? Like, I would love to know what you think. So hopefully I shall see you very soon. Bye from me and my eyebrows.